So Jimmy's going to sing These Are My Mountains.
For fame and for fortune, I wandered the earth, and now I come back to this land of my birth. I brought back my pleasure, but only to find they're less than the pleasure I left behind. For these are my mountains, this is my land, the brave of my childhood, I see them again. No land's ever been, no far away to go. I'm coming home. The burn of the lonesome at my passing by, the walk overhead went with welcome and pride, the lock where the stars fly, at last I can see. It's where that my heart lies, it's there I'll be free. For these are my mountains, this is my land, the brave of my childhood, I'll see them again. No land's ever been, so far I could go. For these are my mountains, I'm coming home. Kind faces will greet me, they'll welcome me in. Oh, how they will greet me, my imperfect. It's not running go. Oh, songs will be sung, and last I'll be hearing my own mother's tongue. For these are my mountains, this is my land, the brave of my childhood, I'll see them again. No land's ever been, so far I could go. For these are my mountains, and I'm coming home. For these are my mountains, I'm coming home.
That was beautiful, Jimmy. That wee song Jimmy sung there was recorded down at Murlough Bay, and it's beautiful just looking over towards the Scottish coast, and it was a really lovely day it was recorded. But anyway, Hughie,